Now let's see now. Preposition of time. That helps us to describe something that when it is happening. At what time? In. So which word we all know prepositions. What do we call in, for, by, to? These are all the words etc. are being covered in the preposition. So preposition of time. Which word comes under preposition of time is in. In. For long periods. In is for long periods. Like for months, years, countries, and for the parts of the day. Like see, I was born in May. Now from now onwards, if you are saying I was born on May, no, it will be wrong. I was born in May. I visited London in 2019 or whenever. She likes to study in the morning. So what is common in all these sentences is the time. Is a time. Time duration means I was born in May. I went to London in this time. I like to study in the morning. She likes to study in the evening. So under all these words, what comes? In. Next is on. We always get confused of what to use in, where to use on. So just remember this and confusion is over. On. For specific days and dates. Like my birthday is on Monday. If it is a specific, if I'm saying this time, but no specific time is given, then we use in. If a specific time is given or the day or date is given, means then we will be using on. It's on Monday. Christmas is on 25th December. Means what's the major difference between in or on? For on, things are covered in the calendar. Means days or dates. Whenever you see the calendar, you see days and dates. Then just close your eyes and write on. It would never be wrong. Like days and dates. What we'll be using for specific dates and dates means whatever the days and dates are coming in the calendar, just use on. That's it. Now let's see the next one.